Welcome to Stock Sync. Today, we'll guide you through the SOAP connection method in Step 1. To begin, you'll need a WSDL URL. This is the specific URL you'll use to access your SOAP feed file. Enter it in the designated field, like USDL URL placeholder. Next is the action name. This is the function you'll call to access your feed. While the action name may appear a certain way in your SOAP documentation, ensure you enter it in Stock Sync as an action name placeholder. If your SOAP requires credentials, you'll need to add query params. To find the list of param keys for your specific function, you can use websites like HTT, PSW, SDLbrowser.com. For file format, SOAP supports only XML. A mandatory setting here is to add the parent node for accurate data parsing. Once you've made all the necessary selections, simply click Next to continue.